Muli ay laman ng artikulo ngayon na ang grupong SB19. Ito'y dahil na rin sa pag-number 9 nila sa Billboard. Mula sa GMA News, another one for the P-Pop Kings. One of SB19's latest tracks, Wakas, has debuted at number 9 on Billboard's World Digital Song Sales chart, marking another milestone for the P-Pop Kings. Malayo-layo na rin ang ating narating. 18. Salamat at hindi ninyo kami binibitawan at iniiwan sa aming mga laban. The group shared on social media. Wakas is part of their latest album, Wakas at Simula, and is the second track from the album to enter the chart, following Visa, which reached number 6 last March. Another update pa rin ng GMA News, SB19 has earned another Billboard achievement on social media. The P-Pop Kings announced that their song Wakas debuted at number 9 on Billboard World's Digital Song Sale chart. Samantala, sa isang social media page din, SB19 has entered the Billboard World Digital Song Sales chart for the 7th time. So, 7 beses na nga po na napipitured sa Billboard ang mga kanta ng SB19. Hindi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kundi 7. So, Wakas peak at number 9. Sa nasabi nga pong post ng Facebook na P-Pop Rise, for the 7th time, SB19 has entered the Billboard World Digital Song Sales chart with Wakas peak at number 9. Samantala, hindi naman mapigilan ng mga fans ng SB19 na ma-appreciate kapag ka ang GMA ang nag-update. Say ni Crystal, favorite ko talaga ang GMA mag-post. Si GMA News halatang 18 din, hehehe, congratulations, mahalima. GMA lang talaga ang masugid na nagbabalita on time ng achievements nila. Wow, nakapasok uli sila World Digital Sales, kayo na talaga SB19, thanks GMA. Wakas is such a beautiful song. I hope more people would discover it. We can't gatekeep it. Say naman ng ilan, imagine 7 songs top on worldwide digital song sales only for the global artists. Hashtag SB19. Yet, very humble. Thank you GMA News, updated palagi sa ganap ng SB19. Hindi kailangang isingit ang ibang group sa balita kapag about SB19. Congratulations SB19! Well, Philippines pride. At yan ang ating showbiz top update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.